Hi, John. This is Sarah with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I know you're busy, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is a marketing audit to show you how to get more traffic to your website and to get to the first page of Google. I'll go over a few helpful tricks to get you there. The first thing we're going to look at is content. Google likes to see around 1,500 words on the home page, and your page is at 271 words. So we definitely want to get more content added. The one image that I can see named is saved as a keyword. This is great because it actually helps you rank for more keywords. Let's take a look at Happy Cleans. They are #1 organically for cleaning company OKC. As you can see, it pays to have a good amount of keyword-enriched content and to add more images named as keywords. The next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. We use a tool called Ahrefs to track our trust flow, our power flow, backlinks, organic keywords, and organic traffic. We like to see our trust and our power in a ratio of 1, so 18 and 18 out of 100. You get this trust and this power from these 103 backlinks. Your website currently has 13 organic keywords, which isn't bringing anybody to your site. This is Happy Cleans. They're sitting at a 37 trust and a 32 power. They get this trust and power from these 662 backlinks. Now we can actually come in here and take the good backlinks and leave the bad ones behind. Their website currently has 1.3 thousand organic keywords, and that brings them 404 people to their website every single month. The last thing we're going to talk about are citations. Now, a citation is anytime your business name, phone number, or address appear on another website, such as Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Yellow Pages, websites like that. You're currently sitting at 22 citations, and these contribute to your Google My Business. Citations aren't hard to get, they're just time consuming. You can find your Google My Business inside the map pack. They're fairly easy to rank and not super difficult to put together. You can either go with this information I have provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time and money, you can give me a call at 405-439-7951. All I ask for is a little feedback on this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.